Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to open the center console panel in the BMW 5 series to access the accessories power behind the cigarette lighter port right there in the center control section. The reason why we want to do this, because as many of you doing the head unit upgrade, you might want to get something with the power source from the accessories, and that is one way to get the power for accessories. The cigarette lighter will have the 12 volt on ignition, so that's a good point to have the power like that. So back to the video now. At first we assume that we already removed the head unit from here, remove the air vent, remove the air conditioner control and CD player out of the panel. Now what we are doing is, at first we check out what are the tools we need to use. It's quite simple. We use the medium long nose plier, 2 pieces of the plastic to remove a tool, one of the hex head with T20 and CT20, and another one is the screwdriver. Okay, the 4 head. Now we can start from here. So at first, using the plastic trim remover tool, slide around the edge of the gear stick area, and this one will pop up easily, and you can lift it up just like that, no more, because look at the bottom, you will see 3 different cable. That is the big white one, and then you see the red one and another small white one. They all connected and very short distance, so you need to get the plier, gently pull them out, and then from there actually that one can be lifted up like that. Okay, so you see it has the clip and all 3. Now the next thing is, you will see here there's 1 and 2, that is the head screw, and it looks like this. Okay, the head screw, and just use the T20 head to remove 2 screw. After that, look at this, the knob controller cover on the top. Just put your hand like this around and pull it up. It will come out straight away, because that's plastic lock in. Simple. Now you actually start using the plastic trim remover to put it on the side like this, from here around the edge, push it in and lift it up, push it in and lift it up. You both of them, okay, together, so you eventually can lift this one up a little bit, and you see a wire connector behind, or at the bottom of this one, for the menu button here, which actually we already pulled out with the help of the plier and put it down here when we are walking. So after that, just keep going and use the plastic trim remover tool to slide on the side, and the side, and the side, and then the whole piece will come up, and then you will be able to slide this one and jiggling, and you will be able to get it out. Okay, so that frame will come out, the whole thing come out, and from there you actually will want to move the gear stick backward a little bit, so you have more space to do that. So just do it now and turn the key on, and then you can move the gear stick backward, and now you can see that the carburetor can move more freely. Okay? And we can turn it on sideways, and now we can see the top of the section here, which is cigarette lighter over here. We already see the power over there, but we need to access it, and there are 4 screws we need to remove. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, two of the front hex head with the T20 head we can remove already, but the rear end two of them we need to do something different. What we need to do is we need to unscrew six of the hex head screw, sorry, six of the screw like this is here, where they are, six of them holding the panel here. One and two and three at the bottom. Okay, the same thing, one on the side here, two and three at the bottom. After you remove six of them, you can be able to pull this one out like that, okay? But it not come straight out, because look at this one at the bottom. The panel is locked in, slide locked in, hook in the plastic bottom here, the panel here. So what you need to do is you fold this one down a bit, and then you push it bottom, slide backward in. So actually it will release the hook, okay? So we need to push it down enough. It's a bit tricky, but you can remove it. Just use two hands and spend a few minutes, gently push it in further, and then you will be able to take this one off, okay? And after that, remove the screw here, and we go for the next. So let me do that while I'm not able to hold the camera, and then we'll come back soon.